Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Innovation. I'm Shantanu Jain, and today on this auspicious occasion of Dussehra, we are going to do a very important topic, that is India's rank in various major global indexes of 2020. So friends, this is very important topic from the point of view of your exams. Almost जितने भी GK related exams होंगे आपके आने वाले, उनमें कहीं ना कहीं ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ओके, सो हम MCQ फॉर्म में इस टॉपिक को कवर करेंगे एंड अलॉन्ग विद इंडियाज रैंकिंग वी विल ऑल्सो सी कि कौन से देश को उस इंडेक्स में फर्स्ट रैंक मिली है. ओके, एंड हम और भी सारी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें देखेंगे जो आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो चलिए ये सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे, what is India's rank in Global Economic Freedom Index of 2020? So friends, what is this index? We'll see, but first the correct answer here is 105th. This is India's rank. Now friends, Global Economic Freedom Index जो है, it measures how free are the citizens of a country in terms of taking their own economic and financial decisions, and it basically is dependent on how good are the policies, economic and financial policies are taken by the government of a country. Alright, let's see the PTN. So this report or this index is prepared by Canada's Fraser Institute. Alright, and Hong Kong and Singapore once again topped the index. So first rank आया Hong Kong का and second was Singapore. Alright, we'll move forward. What is India's rank in World Press Freedom Index of 2020? So press, here we are talking about the freedom of journalism and journalists, how free are they in their own country to publish the things that they want. All right, so the correct rank here is 142. Okay, India is ranked 142nd in this index, which is not a very good rank, and this report is basically prepared by Paris-based Reporters Without Border. This is the name of the institution which has published this index, and the first rank is obtained by Norway. It is ranked first in this index for the fourth year running. So fourth time Norway has got this award as the topper in World Press Freedom Index, and India की rank 2 places गिर गई है दोस्तों, and it is presently ranked 142nd. So earlier we were on 140th position. Alright, we'll move forward. Next is, what is India's rank in Global Energy Transition Index of 2020? So friends, here the correct answer is C, 74th. India is on the 74th position, and this index basically measures how many efforts are the countries doing in order to transit themselves from the various conventional sources of energy like coal and petroleum, which are very polluting to the environment, and how are they transiting to the green energy sources like wind and solar? Are they doing it or not? Okay, so we are on the 74th position, and this report is prepared by World Economic Forum, in short form World WEF, and Sweden has topped this energy transition index for the third consecutive year. All right, and World Economic Forum का headquarter कहाँ है दोस्तों? It is in Switzerland, in Cologne. Okay, I'll move forward. Which of the following is the most competitive nation in the world as per the World Competitive Index 2020? Friends, here the correct answer is D. Singapore is the most competitive country in the world according to this index, and this index is prepared by Institute for Management Development IMD, and India की अगर rank देखी जाए दोस्तों important है, it is 43rd out of 63 nations list. So IMD ने ये 63 nations पर ही ये इंडेक्स बनाया है, and India is 43rd on that. Please note these 3 things down. Next question, what is India's rank in Global Innovation Index of 2020? Friends, here our rank is 48th. We are on the 48th position in terms of innovation, and this report is prepared by World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. ओके, एंड इस इंडेक्स में नंबर 1 कौन है? इट इज स्विट्जरलैंड, एंड हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ वीपो इज जिनेवा, स्विट्जरलैंड. सो फ्रेंड्स, जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मैं आपको यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ उनके हेडक्वार्टर्स आप ज़रूर याद रखिएगा. ओके, एंड प्लीज़ आप जो मैं आपको अभी एंड में असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन दूंगा उसको भी आप करिएगा. ऑलराइट, विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. What is India's rank in Global Human Capital Index of 2020? Friends, here our ranking is 116th. And let's see the PTN. So this report is prepared by World Bank, and what basically is included in this index is that it measures how the health and education data for 174 countries, and then it decides on how well are these countries performing on the various parameters in terms of health and education, and then an index is formed. So the number one country in this index is Singapore. Please do note it down. It's an important one. And where is the headquarter of World Bank? It's in Washington DC, United States of America. Okay, we'll move forward. Which of the following is the happiest country in the world as per the UN's World Happiness Report of 2020? So UN ही ये World Happiness Report निकालता है दोस्तों, और उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिनलैंड इज द वर्ल्ड्स हैप्पीएस्ट कंट्री अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिपोर्ट. और फ्रेंड्स, जो नॉर्डिक कंट्रीज होती हैं लाइक डेनमार्क, फिनलैंड, नॉर्वे, ऑल दीज कंट्रीज आर बेसिकली डोमिनेटिंग द टॉप 10 पोजीशन. अगर आप टॉप 10 को देखने जाएंगे तो मोस्टली आपको कौन दिखेगा? ये नॉर्डिक कंट्रीज. ऑलराइट, चलिए हम PTN भी देख लेते हैं. India is ranked 144th on this report. Can you imagine? We are lagging a lot in this ranking. हमारी रैंक 4 places से घट गई है दोस्तों. Last year we were on 140th position. All right, and this ranking comprises of 156 countries. So we are in the bottom 15 kind of thing. Okay, and this report is released by Sustainable Development Solution Networks of the United Nations. And friends, as another statistic, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka all are above India in this report. So we need to work a lot. Government needs to work a lot on this field. Okay, we'll move forward. What is India's rank in Global Gender Gap Index of 2020? So friends, this index basically measures how divided is the country in terms of facilities for women and in comparison to the men. Many divides are seen in terms of gender. Okay, so here our rank is 112th. India is 112th in terms of this index, which is not a good ranking. And this report is again prepared by World Economic Forum, जिसका headquarter कहाँ है? कॉलोनी स्विट्जरलैंड में. And this index aims to serve as a compass to track progress on relative gaps between women and men on health, education, economy and politics. So इन चारों फील्ड में जितना गैप है, मतलब मेल आगे हैं और फीमेल्स पीछे हैं, so it will create a gender divide in these 4 domains. Okay, and that's what they are measuring. So higher is your rank, then you are performing worse. Iceland topped the index with 11 years in a row. So पिछले 11 सालों से आइसलैंड ही इस इंडेक्स को टॉप कर रहा है. इसका मीनिंग है कि देयर इज वेरी लेस जेंडर डिवाइड इन आइसलैंड. ओके, सो विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. What is India's rank in Social Mobility Index of 2020? So friends, मैं बताऊंगा आपको Social Mobility Index होता क्या है basically. सबसे पहले the correct answer here is A76. This is our ranking in Social Mobility Index. So this report is again prepared by World Economic Forum, and Denmark has topped this list. Okay, important thing. India is 76th out of 82 economy, so we are having a very low ranking here again. Now social mobility क्या होता है दोस्तों, अगर मैं आपको आसान शब्दों में बताऊं, so आपके सोशो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन आपको आपकी ग्रोथ को कैसे इफेक्ट कर रहा है, उसको कहते हैं सोशल मोबिलिटी. इट्स एन असेसमेंट ऑफ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशो इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड ऑन इंडिविजुअल्स आउटकम्स इन लाइफ. आप क्या बनेंगे आगे जाके और आपका इन्वायरमेंट आप पे क्या इफेक्ट कर रहा है, उससे बोलते हैं सोशल मोबिलिटी. ऑलराइट, सो वी आर लैगिंग ऑन दिस, दैट आर इन सोशो इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट इज नॉट दैट fruitful in providing us a fillip in your individual's outcome. Okay, so that's why we are on a lower rank here. Next is, according to the report by SIPRI, that is Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, India is dash largest military spender. So हमें बताना है इंडिया की रैंक क्या है in terms of its military spending in the world. और फ्रेंड्स, आपको हो सकता है स्टॉकहोम इंटरनेशनल पीस रिसर्च या आपको फुल फॉर्म ना दिया हो, सो प्लीज यू शुड नो द एक्रोनिम्स ऑल्सो. ऑलराइट, सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, दैट इज थर्ड. इंडिया इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट military spender, and only United States and China are above us. Okay, and why has there been a tremendous increase in India's military spending? The reasons we can all understand, because of the tensions and rivalry with Pakistan and China are among the main reasons for increased military expenditure. So we have been facing a lot of aggression from both our neighbors China and Pakistan, and which has led us to spend more and more on our security and military. Okay, and one more thing, SIPRI, its headquarter is in Sweden. Okay, which you can understand from Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden. Moving forward, next is Which country has the world's strongest passport as per the Henley Passport Index of 2020? सो फ्रेंड्स हम ये देखेंगे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पासपोर्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है. पहले जो सही आंसर है वो है सी, जापान. Okay, now friends, world's strongest passport. So it means that basically how many countries can the citizen of one country, for example Japan, can visit without any requirement of visa. So if I'm a Japanese citizen, I can go to 141 countries and I don't require any visa. Okay, so that's why Japanese citizen can go to the highest number of countries without any visa, and that's why their passport is the strongest in the world. And the rank that India has attained in terms of the strength of its passport, it is 84th in the world. So this is our ranking in terms of Henley's Passport Index of 2020, and this report is prepared by Henley and Partners based on the data of International Air Transport Association, IATA. Friends, you must be wondering that how many countries can Indian visit without any visa. So we can go to up to 58. There are 58 countries in which Indians can go without any visa. No visa is required for India. So these are very less in comparison to Japan. So here the Japan is having the world's strongest passport. All right, we'll move forward. Next is, what is India's rank in World Risk Index of 2020? So friends, we'll see what this WRI is. First, here the correct answer is D, 89th. So it's an interesting one. So let's understand WRI a little bit. So WRI basically is a complex statistical model, and ये measure करता है कि आपकी country कितने ज़्यादा risk पे है in terms of having disasters like earthquakes, storms, floods, etc. So if your country is having higher risk, if your risk is higher of having a disaster, then your rank will be lower. Your rank will be lower, like it will be close to 1. Okay. Now, since India is very far from 1, it is having lower risk in terms of disasters. So that's a good thing. We don't want to, rank a lower number. Like we don't want to go close to 1 here. So Vanuatu has topped the index WRI. So it is the highest risk. It is on highest risk in terms of disasters. I hope this is clear. We'll move forward. Next is, what is India's rank in Environmental Performance Index of 2020? So friends, as the name suggests, this index basically measures how a country is performing in terms of keeping its environment clean and healthy. Okay, so here India's rank is another pathetic number. It is 168th, and we are basically performing worse than all the South Asian countries except Afghanistan. So which country has topped it? The correct answer is Denmark. It has topped the index, and this index is released by Yale University and Columbia University in collaboration. All right. So friends, now we have come to the assignment section. So you have to tell me the answers of these questions in the comment section. The first is, why has the World Bank paused the publication of its ease of doing business report? So this is a very important question. Please tell me why this doing business report is paused. Next, find the name of heads of so World Bank, WEF and WIPO. इनके हेड्स कौन है वो मुझे बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड लास्ट थिंग, ग्लोबल स्किल इंडेक्स ऑफ 2020, इसमें इंडिया की क्या रैंक है, किसने इस इंडेक्स को टॉप किया है, और ये इंडेक्स कौन रिलीज करता है. ये तीनों चीज़ें आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. सो गाइज, वी हैव कम टू एन एंड टू दिस सेशन. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ यू हैव लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज गिव इट अ थम्स अप, शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Novation for more awesome content. And I'll again request you that please start making your GK notes, start revising them regularly, because your exams are very close. Alright, so I'll meet you again next time with another awesome video. Until then, bye bye and please take care.